Recording the glitching of my brand new microwave. This is a Whirlpool microwave installed August of 2018. We started having these issues immediately. You can see I'm setting the time, 30 seconds. Let's see. Won't take. Let's try again. Let's try 15 seconds. This will happen over and over and over again. If you're thinking about getting a Whirlpool microwave, think twice. Whirlpool is not able to duplicate this issue with their first set of technicians. So they're sending out a second set of technicians. But at this point, they are still talking about a repair, even though this has been happening since 4 weeks after purchase. I am recording this on November 14th, 2018. Unusable.